Hello everybody, welcome to today's session. Let me know if I'm clearly audible as well as visible to each and everyone. Okay, Akanksha. Great. Fine. So I have checked. I am clearly audible as well as visible. So what are we going to do in today's session is the French paper discussion part 2. The French paper that you got. Okay, we were left with a few questions. So we'll be taking them up in today's session. Okay. Okay. So just a second. Hmm. Okay, now we are getting started with it. Yes. So we were left with two questions. One was of discours rapporté, and the second one, discours rapporté, trouver la question, and chronopossessive. These three questions were left, if I'm not wrong. So we can continue with these questions. Okay. First question, metal has still direct to indirect selon le cas. So you have to put these in what happened. In discourse, the speech direct or indirect. All right. First question. It says, what happened today? It's not working or what? Better. Le directeur lui dit de ne pas regarder leur réponse. So the thing that you need to watch is de ne pas, which means it is imperative. Okay, this is the meaning that you need to take from this. So the director says to him to not to watch the answer. So we are going to say le directeur lui dit, then comma, inverted commas open, ne regarde pas, exclamation mark closed. All right. Why not regarde? Because director, that is the director is speaking to him. So director must be having a higher position than that, the person to whom he is speaking to, right? Ne regarde pas la réponse. I forgot to add this. Okay, so the answer is going to be le directeur lui dit, comma, then you have inverted commas, ne regarde pas la réponse, and then the exclamation. Okay. All right. Moving ahead. Elle te demande, peux-tu m'envoyer la lettre? So she is saying to you, can you send me your letter? Now, since here it is you and here also you, so you is going to remain you only. You and here also you. So you is going to remain you only. That is the thing that we need to understand. Okay. So what will it be? Elle te demande. Because in this you can just understand and frame it accordingly. So demande, since it is an intonation, it is going to be a yes or no question. So you are going to say elle te demande si tu peux lui envoyer la lettre. That is going to be the correct answer in indirect. Okay. Let's move on now. Question number 3. Jean me demande quel temps il fait demain. So it is going to be Jean me demande, and then you will have comma, inverted commas open, quel temps fait-il Dans ta vie. Instead of ma vie, it will become ta vie. Question. Okay, so this has been done. Fourth, Elena nous dit, je vais vous téléphoner ce soir. This is easy. It's going to be Elena nous dit qu'elle, je will change to elle since it is Elena. Qu'elle va. They will become va. Nous, vous will become nous since it is nous dit. Nous téléphoner ce soir. Okay, so D is done. Fifth one, je te dis, voyage avec moi. So te is there and je is there. Je te dis, de because imperative, so de voyage avec moi only because I am only speaking to myself. Okay. What happened? Okay. Fifth question, who will question? Let me check the audio one. Audio. Fifth question, who will question? Okay. First, il a des cheveux blondes. So she has the blonde hair. What is going to be the answer? Just a second. Better. So he has blonde hair. So what is the color of his hair? Right. So you can say the calculator in this I have a bit of confusion, so you will have to confirm this one. Actually, I did not attempt this one, so you have to confirm A1. Please confirm this question from your teacher. I am going to chronophysically. Okay. Remplacer les mots soulignés par les pronoms possessifs. You need to replace by the possessive pronouns. What happened? Okay. J'ai parlé à mon professeur et tu dois parler à ton professeur. It should be à le tien. Since we have a and le, it becomes au tien. Okay, so the answer is going to be au tien. Just a second. Okay, today nobody is there, yeah, because I had already discussed that. And that does not matter whether people are there or not, at least to me. So, où avez-vous gardé votre voiture? Notre voiture est sous l'eau. So it is going to be la notre because voiture is feminine. Third, je préfère ces poèmes. Mes poèmes sont ennuyeux. So mes poèmes will become les miennes because poème is feminine. D, ma mère vient de rencontrer ta mère. So ta mère will become la tienne because mère is feminine. Elle se souvient de son séjour en France. Vous souvenez-vous de votre séjour? So it will be le votre, but since we have the over here, the plus le becomes du votre. So this is something that we need to understand. Okay, so we have discussed the remaining questions which were left, and I hope doubts are cleared. Okay, Akanksha. Doubts are cleared. Fine, then let's end today's stream because nothing else is there. All the best for your result. That is something which I can say. Right, I hope you do well and you come up with flying colors in all your examinations, and you are going to shine for sure because your hard work will take you to the path of success. Right, so let's end it over here. Bye bye. happened.